Hey guys, how you going? It's Arij, previously from BBWW, Brisbane's Best Wigs and Weaves, but now it is changing over to A1 Hair Co. I've been away for a little bit. I have my reasons. It was because I was going through a lot of learning curves, lessons, growth and expanding within myself, and sometimes you just don't really want to always have to do that stuff on social media. As it's happening, I would rather go through what I have to go through and then come back and be like, hey, yo, listen to this, so I can actually give you something of like quality that you can use, like of value. But yeah, I've learned so much in the last 4 months, last three and a half months. I felt like BBWW was limiting, and I wanted to be able to cater to and service women that aren't just on the east coast of Australia. If girls are up in New Zealand, you want something in Sydney, it's like, I'm with you. You're in Perth, even if you're in the UK, the Asia Pacific, I got you. Like, that's the whole point, is I wanted to expand and I wanted to grow. The last couple months with BBWW, oh my lord, the amount of like mistakes, money I lost, learning how to do this whole e-commerce thing and do this whole business thing. A lot of trials, a lot of errors, a lot of learning. At a point here and there, I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. That's the point. It's like nothing good is going to come easy, and I was going to make those mistakes sooner or later. And the one thing they don't teach you is that you have to fail, and you got to fail quickly. You got to fail fast. As fast as you go down, you got to get back up. So that's what's happening now. So pretty much there's going to be all new product, a whole bunch of wigs coming, a whole bunch of accessories coming, a whole new website's coming, and there's heaps of content coming for you guys as well. And who knows, I might make heaps more mistakes, but screw it. You gotta do it. Like, you never know unless you do it, right? I want women, especially in Australia, black women more specifically, I want you guys to be able to go somewhere where someone gets it and where you're celebrated and where your hair culture is celebrated. I'm a black woman, honey. You know what I mean? I'm with you, I get it, and I want to be there with you, and I want to support you, and I want to make sure you guys get really good quality products. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a rundown. So yeah, you're going to keep seeing more of me now, and if you follow me on the socials, you'll know when the products are dropping, when the website is up and when the new website is up and running. But if in the meantime, if you need anything, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns regarding like lace fronts or bundles, by all means feel free to hit me up at hello@a1hairco.com, and it's just the letter A, the number 1, hairco.com. hello@a1hairco.com, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions, comments, like concerns or inquiries. And just follow me on the socials as well. Sorry, no discounts or nothing at the moment. I'm just here to just give you guys the goss of what's been happening. Okay, bye. See you guys later.